Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So as you know, we are solving the SQL questions from Leetcode, and all device questions are on the YouTube channel. All the solution for device questions or the question wise solutions also on the YouTube channel. So please check out the solution videos on the YouTube channel, and I will put the links for each solution in the description. So please go to the links, and also you can search for playlist for SQL questions on my YouTube channel. Without wasting time, let's see the question. So in this video we are going to solve question number 511, gameplay analysis. Let's see the question. This is the question, gameplay analysis. So the table called activity is given here. Column names are like player ID, device ID, event date, games played, and the event date is in the format of date, and other columns having the type is integer. So player ID and event ID together forms the primary key for this table. So this table shows the activity of players of some games. Each row is a record of a player who is logged in the player a number of games, possibly 0, before logging out on some day using some device. So we have to write a SQL query to report the first login date for each player. Return result should be in any order. The query result format is in the following. So I think this is the very simple question. You can see the activity table is here. Player IDs, you may see the player IDs are being repeated, and maybe device ID as well. And for each player we have to find the first login date. So event date is like what type of event has been happen by the player. We will write the query. We have to select the player ID and the first login. So first login should be come out from event date. So I will copy the column name from here only. So we will write the first login for each player. So we will write the function minimum, that is min, for event date, and we will put the alias as the first login as shown in the output requirement. This is the first login, and from the activity table I will copy the names from here to save the timing. But if you are preparing for placement, you will not able to copy the names, column names, attribute names from here on the coding platform given by the respected company. So please keep the practice of typing the correct spellings. So I will run the query. Let's see what's wrong is here. Input is like this, and the player ID is okay. So we have to find the minimum event date, that is the first login date for each player. So I will put the group by clause here. So group by each player ID, so player ID, and let's run the query again. Okay, now the result is correct. So I will give you a hint here that generally when question or SQL query contains for each, then you have to think about for each attribute we have to find the corresponding result. So there are 99% chances to use the group by clause there for each player. Okay, let's submit the question.